Hello and welcome. Today we are taking a really deep dive into the MAXHUB ecosystem. And we're going to look past just the screens and the cameras to really understand the core philosophy and the powerful operating system that ties everything together. This is for anyone who's ever been in a meeting room, fumbling with cables, and just thought there has to be a smarter way to do this.
So here's our game plan. First, we're going to explore the why behind MAXHUB. Then we'll get into the hardware itself. After that, we're diving straight into the OS that runs the whole show, checking out its awesome built-in creative tools. And finally, we'll see how it all connects for easy sharing and support. All right, first things first, the big idea. Before we touch any of the tech, let's get a handle on the core mission here, because with tools like this, the why they were built is every bit as important as the what they can do. This quote, right from their brand guide, really hits the nail on the head. The key phrase is immersive communications. Now, think about that for a second. What does it really mean? It's not just about seeing someone on a screen. It's about making the technology disappear so that working together feels as natural and seamless as if you were all in the very same room, scribbling on the same whiteboard. And look, this isn't just some marketing slogan they came up with yesterday. It's a mission they've been committed to since 2017. The goal is pretty straightforward. Create technology that's so intuitive it almost becomes invisible. It's all about getting rid of that friction, the clumsy cables, the confusing menus that always seems to get in the way of actual teamwork. Okay, so that's the big idea. But how does that philosophy actually translate into real physical products? Let's take a look at the hardware that makes up the entire MAXHUB ecosystem. This right here really shows you their total solution thinking. It's not just about selling one smart screen, it's a whole family of devices that are designed from the ground up to work together perfectly. Of course, you've got the interactive displays as a central hub, but then you have their really advanced UC products like speakerphones that use tech like deverberation, which is a fancy way of saying it cancels out all that annoying room echo, and even AI to make sure every single voice is crystal clear. You combine that with massive LED walls, digital signs, and mobile stands, and suddenly you have a single integrated system for literally any space you can think of. Okay, so we've got the hardware laid out. Now let's get to the real brain of the operation, the OS. This is the software that brings everything together, and it acts as your central command center to run your meetings and really shape your workflow. And this is where it all starts. This is the launcher screen, and it's designed to completely eliminate that frantic, how do I start this meeting moment? Your most important tools, like the whiteboard, are right there at the top. And down below, it clearly shows you every single device that's plugged in. You never have to hunt for the right input again. You just tap and you're good to go. It's all about speed and simplicity. But here's the really crucial part. A great OS has to adapt to you. The MAXHUB system isn't locked down in a one-size-fits-all way. It is built for personalization, so you can set it up to match how your team actually works. Now, this might seem like a small detail, but it's the difference between a tool people are forced to use and a tool they genuinely want to use. And making it yours is incredibly simple. As you can see on the left, you just long press and drag your favorite apps right to the main screen, no fuss. And on the right, you can see it just takes a few taps to swap out the wallpaper. This is perfect for matching your company's branding or even just setting the right creative mood for the room. It's all about making the technology feel like it belongs in your workspace. The OS also has this fantastic built-in welcome page, and you get to it with just a simple swipe from the launcher. This is a dedicated screen you can completely customize to greet visitors or clients. You can pick a template, add your own custom text, and you can even set background music. It's a really simple feature, but it adds this incredible touch of professionalism right as people walk into the room. Okay, now let's get to the fun part and explore the applications built directly into the OS. And I want to be clear, these aren't just little bonus features. They are core tools designed specifically for brainstorming sessions and for developing ideas as a team. At the very heart of this software suite is the Whiteboard app. But it's so important to understand this is not just a digital sketchpad. It's designed as an infinite canvas. That means you literally never run out of space. You can just keep panning and zooming forever, which allows for everything from quick little notes to these massive, complex, sprawling mind maps. So, what makes it so powerful is how you can build out your ideas. You're not limited to just scribbling with a pen tool. By tapping the Insert button, you can instantly bring in structured things like tables to organize data, mind maps to guide a brainstorm, or even digital sticky notes, and they all live right on the same canvas with your drawings. So take this table, for example. It's been dropped right onto the whiteboard. A simple tap brings up a menu to edit it. You can add rows, change colors, type in text. You can resize it and move it around just like you would a sticky note. This completely transforms the whiteboard from just a simple drawing surface into a truly dynamic workspace. Now, this is one of the cleverest workflow features, I think. It's called the sidebar. This is a small, floating menu that you can access at any time, right on top of any application. It's packed with these little widgets that let you do key things without ever interrupting what you're doing, which is, as you can imagine, a huge time saver. First up is my personal favorite tool in the sidebar, Annotate. With a single tap, it instantly freezes whatever is on the screen. Could be your desktop, a website, a document, a presentation, anything. And it brings up a simple toolbar. Right then and there, you can start drawing, highlighting, and making notes directly on top of that content. And when you're done, you can easily save or share your annotated screenshot. It's brilliant. Then you have the timer widget. Now, I know it sounds deceptively simple, but this little tool can totally change the dynamic of a meeting. You can set a countdown for a timed brainstorming session, keep a presenter on track, or just use it as a simple stopwatch. And displaying it full screen is a great way to keep the entire group focused and really aware of the time. And the last sidebar tool we'll look at is the voter, which is designed to break through that classic meeting gridlock. You know, when a discussion is just going in circles, you can launch a quick poll right from the sidebar. You set the options, you decide if you want it to be anonymous or open, and everyone in the room can vote. The results just pop up instantly, giving you a clear, data-driven way to make a decision and move forward. Of course, having great tools is pretty useless if you can't share your ideas easily. So now let's look at how MAXHUB handles screen sharing and what kind of support they offer to make sure teams are getting the most out of the entire system. Their approach to screen sharing is all about flexibility. The main goal here is to avoid the dreaded cable fumble at the start of every meeting. They have a simple wireless dongle for guests. You just plug it in and press a button. Done. You can also use their screen sharing app on your laptop or mirror directly from your phone. Basically, whatever device you walk into the room with, you can get it up on the main screen fast. And to make sure the teams actually get the full value out of all these incredible features, MAXHUB provides a support platform called MAXHUB College. It's a 24/7 online learning hub, and it has training on absolutely everything, from the basics to advanced technical details. It's really their way of making sure that the investment in all this hardware and software actually pays off in real productivity. So when you put it all together, the customizable launcher, that dynamic whiteboard, the handy sidebar tools, the super flexible sharing, it all points back to one single goal: to make the technology fade into the background, allowing a team's ideas and their inspiration to truly move ahead. So the final thought I want to leave you with is this. By systematically removing all that friction from our collaborative technology, the MAXHUB ecosystem is really trying to unlock a new level of productivity and creativity, one that's often held back by clunky, complicated tools. So the real question is, what would that actually look like for your team? What could you achieve? You know that feeling, right? The meeting is supposed to start, but the first 10 minutes are a total mess. You're hunting for the right cable, the audio is all muffled, and the screen share just will not work. It's pure collaboration chaos. Well, today, we're going to look at a company that has designed an entire ecosystem to get rid of all that frustration. Let's dive into MAXHUB. So, what's MAXHUB's whole philosophy? Really, it's all about making communication feel as natural and immersive as possible. They believe technology shouldn't just be a tool to connect people. It should actually spark creativity and make your team more productive, no matter where in the world they are. All right, so here's our game plan. First, we'll get to know the company. Then we'll check out the physical hardware that makes all this teamwork happen. After that, we'll dive into the MAXHUB OS, the software that's the brains of the operation. We'll also touch on their support system, and finally, see how it all clicks together to form one complete ecosystem. MAXHUB has been around since 2017, and their mission from day one has been pretty clear. They want to build a total solution for pretty much any collaboration scenario you can think of. So this isn't about selling you a single standalone gadget. It's about creating one unified experience where every single piece just works together perfectly. So how do you even start building an experience like that? Well, it all begins with the hardware. I mean, you can have the most brilliant software in the world, but if the tools you're running it on aren't up to snuff, what's the point? So let's look at the physical foundation of the MAXHUB ecosystem. And their hardware lineup is seriously comprehensive. The main event, of course, is their big, smart, interactive displays. They really become the heart of the meeting room.
But it goes way beyond that. They have a whole suite of what they call unified communications products. Really high-quality cameras and speakerphones that make remote people feel like they're right in the room with you. They've even got these massive all-in-one LED walls for big spaces, slick digital signage for lobbies, and mobile stands so you can literally just wheel your entire collaboration hub wherever it needs to go.
We've all been in that meeting where somebody sounds like they're talking from the bottom of a well, right? Bad audio can completely derail a great conversation. So let's zoom in on just one piece of this and see how MAXHUB tackles the audio problem. So take this, for example, the BM11 speakerphone. Let's translate what these specs actually mean for a real meeting. That 360-degree 6-mic setup, it means it can clearly pick up voices from up to 4 meters away, from any direction. No more awkward leaning in to talk. And that PZM design, that stands for pressure zone microphone. It's designed specifically to stop the hard surface of the table from creating that awful echoey reverb, giving you a much crispier sound. But here's the really cool part, the special sauce. MAXHUB uses some smart AI-powered sound enhancement. Basically, it has this de-reverberation algorithm that intelligently figures out who's talking, boosts their voice, and then actively hunts down and cancels out all that distracting background noise and echo. So you end up sounding clear and professional even if your meeting room isn't exactly a recording studio. Okay, we've got the powerful hardware. Now, let's talk about the brains of the operation, the MAXHUB OS. This is the software that brings all that hardware to life, and it was built from the ground up to be super intuitive and just seamless. And it all starts right here with the launcher. Think of it as your home base, your mission control for your meeting. From this one screen, you can jump into any of your apps, switch to a laptop that's plugged in, and launch a meeting with a single tap. It's super clean, simple, and you can customize it to have your favorite tools front and center. Now, let's get to a really core feature, the whiteboard. And trust me, this is so much more than a digital sketchpad. It's a massive, basically infinite canvas built for those messy, creative, amazing brainstorming sessions where the next big idea is born. So instead of just free-form drawing, you can drop in structured elements on the fly. Need to organize some data? Bam, insert a table. Trying to map out a complex process? Just add a mind map. You can even throw up a bunch of digital sticky notes. It helps take all that creative chaos and shape it into an organized, actionable plan right there on the screen. But what if the thing you need to discuss isn't on the whiteboard? What if it's a website or a PDF or someone's presentation? Well, that's where the annotation tool is an absolute game changer. You can pull it up over anything on the screen, mark it up with notes, circle key info, and then, boom, export a snapshot to share with the team. It's perfect for feedback sessions. And what about sharing your screen? The part of the meeting that usually causes the most headaches? MAXHUB makes it ridiculously simple. You just plug this little wireless dongle into your laptop, the software pops up on its own, and you click one button. That's it, you're sharing. No more messing with cables or shouting, "Can you see my screen yet?" The OS also has these handy little tools built right into the sidebar to help manage the meeting. There's a voter tool so you can get quick, anonymous feedback from the group, and there's a timer you can pop on screen to make sure presentations stay on track. They're small things, but they make a huge difference in keeping meetings focused and productive. Now, the technology is awesome, for sure, but a great product is only half the battle, right? A complete solution also needs a really strong support system behind it. And MAXHUB has built a whole structure to make sure its users and partners are set up for success. They're really tackled this from 2 different angles. First, for you, the actual user, there's MAXHUB Support. It's a global network of engineers ready to provide fast, local service whenever you need it. And then, for their partners, the people selling and installing the gear, there's MAXHUB College. It's an online training platform that makes sure everyone involved is a total expert. So let's step back and bring all of these pieces together. We've seen the hardware, we've seen the software, and we've seen the support. What does it all add up to when you combine them? And really, this is the key takeaway. MAXHUB isn't in the business of just selling you a screen or a speakerphone. They're delivering a total integrated solution. The hardware, the software, and the human services, they all work together like a well-oiled machine, creating this single, powerful ecosystem that's designed to get rid of the friction and let your team's best ideas shine. It really makes you think, doesn't it? Just imagine your team's workday for a moment, but without all those little technical glitches and frustrations, where every tool just works together intuitively. How much more creative could you be? How much more productive? That's really the question that MAXHUB is trying to answer.
And that's our deep dive into the MAXHUB ecosystem. It's a comprehensive solution that's really all about letting inspiration, not frustrating technology, lead the way. Thanks for watching.